Dzień dobry z Polski. Finally, I'm here. I'm super happy. Hi everyone. So, I don't know what I'm gonna say. I just wanna express my gratitude. I'm so super happy. It's cold. This is like, the island girl from Bali flying about 18-20 hours, and finally I arrived here. Wow. It's totally different.
Souvenirs are going to live with me, my scientist in Poland. For everybody who are thinking as we are not together, of course we are together. We just has to wait to organize few things, and finally we are both in Poland, and that's the beginning of the brand new, pretty long journey in Poland, right? How do you feel?
Kind of mixed feelings. I mean, I married quite a long time with Damian, but yes, this is my first time coming to Poland. Why? Just because, whenever I have an opportunity to come to Poland, Damian is busy working, I also busy working, so finally, oh my God.
Finally.
And this is Poznan, right?
Yeah, it's Poznan.
And Damian was making a video about Poznan, and then I only see it on the screen, but now I'm here. I can feel like how is the city is super vibrant, and wow.
She only renovated, by the way. We'll show you a little bit around, and we're gonna enjoy a little bit of the city today. Very cool thing about the old market square in Poland is that, well, in Poznan, but everywhere in Poland, the spring is coming, and they came slowly with the gardens and the restaurants outdoors. So it's cool, and more tourists coming. Sayang.
I don't know. I just speechless. I know that some people maybe you go to the one city in Europe will be look the same, but for me it's just like extraordinary experience to be here. Watching in the screen, it's totally different when you are here and you feel it. You surrounded by I don't know, I just speechless. I'm so happy.
Sayang, just why you wear the gloves? Why you wear the gloves?
I told you, island girl coming to the 18 or 16 degree right now, right? So,
13.
Oh, 13.
But actually not that bad, nah?
Yeah.
Not that bad.
It's just like amazing weather and sunshine, blue sky, and like when people saying like Poland is always gray sky, look. Blue sky.
Right, and gonna be even more cooler and brighter and more enjoyable later in the future when the really summertime is coming. More and more restaurants will open their gardens, and also will be more and more people coming because, well, during actually the Easter weekend it's supposed to be over 20 degrees, so that's gonna be cool, but we're gonna see my mama, right?
Right.
So we're gonna travel. We're not gonna be in Poznan actually during the Easter. By the way, Easter is coming very soon. So happy Easter if you celebrate so. And then, well, I don't know, it's been, for me, I've been here for many times already, I'm living here, but for Winnie, it's definitely, like she said, everything is exciting, right?
Yes, it's totally different.
It's definitely totally different. Also yesterday, we are coming from Warsaw, and suddenly tell me, no traffic jam on the highway when you're living there, totally different, right?
And also, for me, it's just like different world. It's totally different world.
Well, it's definitely different world. If you compare Asia to Europe, definitely different world. That's true. So yeah, what's that?
This one is, I think, the souvenir shop, especially when you are coming to Poznan city.
Right, so wow. Cool, huh? With the little 2 golds you can buy if you want. You want?
But no, I don't think so.
You're not gonna put on the fridge, huh?
Okay. I'm just more interested in the food. Wow, because Damian always, buying food and eating alone. I don't know, what should we buy first? Pierogi, Pączki, or...
Pączki, because it's sweet.
Go.
Let's try Pączki somewhere.
And right behind me is actually a beautiful church. And I don't know, let's go there. I'm super speechless, super happy.
Something different, huh? Something different, but this is very nice actually, Cathedral. Saying what I did.
I'm wearing my hat. I already feel cold. It's not winter, right?
No, spring
So,
already.
spring.
First weekend of spring.
I feel cold. Hey, look. Oh my goodness.
Nice, isn't it?
Wow.
Really cool. You see some tourists already making pictures. I should make a picture of you actually.
Yes.
This is like
And the
gonna
thing is
look like
that-
on Instagram like this. Like this. Sayang, look at me. Like this. Alright. I hope so you didn't get a problem with your eyes when I make a shot. First time experiment like this.
I can hear the bell ringing. What is it?
Yeah, the city hall bell.
Ah,
And some
very fancy.
some tourists behind you as well.
I
or
told
business
you.
people.
Poznan is the future.
Poland is the future.
Yes.
in
yes.
That's for sure. At least that's what many people are saying. I'm thinking the same actually. Okay, cool. How's the church? Nice, huh?
It's so beautiful.
It's so old.
Quiet, peaceful, and this is my first time coming to the beautiful church like that.
So many nice restaurants. Be careful how you walk on the cobblestone, huh?
It's very nice.
It's also
like,
different, huh?
it's different. So comfortable actually.
So cool. All right, and then we are going. There is the old market square actually there, and we are going back somewhere here. Let's find the Pączek, huh?
Right.
Let's
That's
go.
right. So that's behind me is the tram, right?
Right.
Kanye?
Correct.
Wow. Wow.
Different than metro.
Right.
Actually, we don't have much trams in Asia, right?
Exactly. And then the thing is that everything here is so well organized. No motorbike. What's that sound?
No motorbikes.
Yes, that I think what makes not really much traffic jam here, right?
I guess.
Wow.
Cool.
Very nice.
Oh, the next one.
Oh, wow.
He's ringing the bell.
Wow. Super cool. This is the first world country, right?
Right, the old continent and first world country, to be exact.
Wow.
Okay, cool. Let's have a Pączek. I'm hungry, sayang.
Me too, let's go. This is very interesting. Indonesian flag is actually red and white, but Polish flag is white and red. And the thing is that there is kantor, which means money exchange, but in Indonesian language, kantor actually means office.
You see,
So,
similarities.
same, but different.
Same and different. That's for sure. Okay, let's go to the walking street now. By the way, beautiful weather this afternoon. Spring is coming. Actually, saying you came into the good time. Your winter is, you're not gonna experience snow until November, December, you know.
Yeah.
But at least it's nice weather already.
But one thing that I see here, Polish people walks very fast.
Dark. Okay, let's go.
The thing that what I see is that when people walking like that, the car has stopped. But in Bali, when you cross the street, the car is just like go. But here, you see, they really respect the people who walk on the street. Nice.
Correct.
And look at that. That's the walking street. You see? Wow. It's super duper busy. Let's go.
Let's go. No eating in McDonald's while we are in Poland, yeah? No more makas here, huh?
You should eat Polish food, and I see that many fresh ingredient that is in a Polish food.
But
So,
also a lot of Asian foods around if you're really carving. Actually, different stuff. Actually, personally, I like McDonald's, but not in Poland for some reason. I'm not eating that much.
well, walking on the street, I already can smell very fresh food, bread, right? Flat.
Right.
Yeah, so nice.
So now let's go.
Kochanie,
What?
this is pierogi shop, right?
Right. Let's see how the ladies making. They actually here. You see? somebody honking. This is the pierogi, and the lady's making. Actually, they have a break now. Cool.
go.
Huh? Sayang. What are you doing? Looking everywhere. Huh?
I don't know. Wow.
They also have a kebab.
Right.
But we're going for donut. Sayang, look, my Peche X.
There is a motorbike here, right?
Yeah, but only it's from food deliveries, people driving usually. But still, sometime.
Right. All right. So we just arrived in one Pączek restaurant, like Polish donut, kochanie. Pączki.
Pączki, dobra pączkarnia. That's the proper name, yes?
One thing I realized, the food in Poland is huge portion. And look, one of the pączki. Oh my God, it's so huge. I think one is enough for my dinner, honey.
Which one you want? Which one you want?
And this one is just all takeaway, right? There
All
is
takeaway, no
sit
sitting,
in.
not in,
Right.
not in the Pączek place. But
Let's
that's also
order
some different kind of experience, right?
Right.
Cool, so many nice pączek. That's gonna be the first final review of the Polish pączek for the very first time in the life.
Get closer. It's so huge portion.
Huge.
How
What
much
flavor
does
is it?
cost?
I don't know, 6 złotych, like $1.50,
Oh,
like 20k.
20K.
But
Okay,
it's
okay.
nice.
Okay. Okay, I will try. Nice, sweet, tasty, so good.
Take a more big dab.
Inside?
There's the feeling inside.
Right.
Take a dip.
All right, I think that's all our video. My first day in Poland. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Do widzenia.